Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about skin brands out there, CeraVe. You have probably seen it all over TikTok, YouTube and dermatologist recommendation. But is it really works that hype? Let's find out. So CeraVe was developed with dermatologists and focuses on restoring your skin barrier using 3 essential ceramides plus hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. These ingredients helps to keep your skin hydrated, calm and healthy. Which sounds amazing, right? Let's start with the pores. It's super gentle even for sensitive or acne-prone skin. It's fragrance-free, which means fewer chances of irritation. It's dermatologist recommendation and easily available in most stores. It gives long-lasting hydration without making your face greasy. Now the cons. Some people find it too basic. It does not give instant glow or fancy effects, and the texture can feel a bit thick or sticky for oily skin types. If you are looking for quick visible results like brightening or anti-aging, it might feel slow. Top products to try. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Perfect for dry to normal skin. Number 2 is CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. Great for oily combination skin. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. The most viral product. CeraVe AM to PM Facial Moisturizer. Final verdict. CeraVe is not a brand that gives overnight magic, but if you are looking for simple dermatologist approved and effective skincare that keeps your skin barrier healthy, it's definitely worth it. It's more about long-term skin health than quick fixes.